Are you guys with a slow smartphone like this? Are you? Hello guys, the following video is about how you can make your Android smartphone faster. That is a little bit faster. And so guys, if you have an Android smartphone which is a bit slow, you'll make it faster by the end of this video. And so guys, I'm your host Irungu Shawn and welcome to Tech Up Kenya. I want to thank everybody for supporting me by subscribing and viewing my videos. And so guys, make sure you subscribe if you are new to my channel. If you wanna get ready to join my YouTube my family, join through the WhatsApp link on the description box below. And so guys, let's get started. So guys, the first thing you do, go to your smartphone settings, click on the settings app, navigate to about phone, to about my phone, click on the version, click on the build version 7 times. And so guys, I have already clicked this previously, so you're gonna click 7 times like this, for 7 times. As you can see, my phone is telling me no need, you are already a developer. So guys, let's go back. That's the first step. And the second step, guys, just going back to your settings menu, click on about phone, not there, go to additional settings, click on additional settings, click on developer options, switch on developer options like that. Okay, then scroll down up to this point. As you can see, there is an option like window animation scale, so click on that, change it to 0.5, animation scale to 0.5, then transition animation scale to still to 0.5, then animated duration scale still 0.5. Yeah, that's okay. And then you can go back. As you can see, now your phone is now a little bit faster, as you can see. So guys, that's the way you can change your slow smartphone to a little bit faster. And so guys, if this video was helpful, make sure you click on the subscription box, then click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful time.